There's your little lion. Killer. Who is that? See? Who is it? Yeah, that's Leo. Here, can we pull your thing? Or should Mommy press the button? Here, let Mommy press the button. Oh, he's singing to you. He's singing. Are you listening? Yeah. He's looking at these little guys that are looking at him. Yeah. He likes to just lay and talk to him. Yeah. Leo's gonna get you. Ooh. 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 He's getting you. Here he is. Oh, here he comes. Give Grandma a giggle. Yeah. Oh my. What about this one? You like him too, don't ya? Can you talk to your glowworm? Say it. I give you a kiss. Give you a kiss. Here he is. I love you, Keller. That's what he's giving you. Yeah. Here he comes. Yeah? Very good. Very good. What's this one? Yeah. Are you talking to Grandma? Yeah. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Grandma. He's waving bye. See ya. We're 3 months old. I forgot to say that. Bye.